to it. Real one, ain't nothing to it. Boss, ain't nothing to it. Real one, ain't nothing to it.
What's up, dolls? We're back with another video, and today's video is going to be featuring Yiroo hair. So what I have here is the form of how the hair is supposed to be set up, and it's supposed to be set up just like this. You make a part in the middle, and then you put the ponytail at the top, gel it up, and you also mold the back. Well, you mold the back first, and then you cut it out, and then mold the ponytail and do your baby bangs. But now she's taking the 20-inch. It was a 20-inch, an 18-inch, and a 16-inch. And she's taking the 20-inch, and she's putting it track by track in the back of my head where the cap is. So she did put some protective the glue stuff on my head and on the cap, so that the glue will be protected from my head, my hair getting taken out. Sorry, y'all. So that's why that pink butterfly clip is up there, because it has some hair left out so that it can cover the tracks. And what she did is basically cover the tracks and also make it where I can put it in the ponytail. So that was bomb, y'all. If y'all want to know that method, let me know. I will definitely try to do it for you. So yeah, she put the wax stick on. She flat out in the back. You didn't see that part, but she did flat out in the back to blend in with the weave. So now what she's doing is basically she made an extended ponytail a little bit so that the ponytail can sit up. So now what she's doing is taking the 16-inch, which is the littlest bundle that we have. We did have a frontal with this hair, or closure. I don't know which one it was, closure frontal. We did have that, but I don't know. For some reason, I just like making ponytails with these types of hairs. I don't know. I love my ponytails. They're the best thing. Like the wigs, we good, but I don't know, I love my ponytails better. So what she's doing now is basically wrapping it around, and then she's going to take a piece of hair to wrap around so that she can cover the track. And then last but not least with this style, she's going to take some wand from Irresistible Me. They sent me these a while back. These are bomb. I love the way the curls came out. These are wand curls. I don't know. I love the hair in its natural state as well. So if the curls fall, the natural state is going to look beautiful because, I don't know, I just like it. It just looks very natural in its natural state. But now what I'm doing is, well, what she's doing is basically one curl of my hair, and she's going to do that all over and till she gets up to the ponytail. And that is it, y'all. So easy, quick glue in that you can achieve at home. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.